Right, this is Ron from Mighty House doing a check-in with you guys just to see the building in Illinois segment that we're doing. See, we've got floor joists in now, spanning base, and the outside rim joists here. We've got a couple pieces of plywood on here, and so just so you can see what we're stacking up here is we have the sill seal, then the next piece up, which is right there, that is your sill plate, and then you have your rim joists that all the floor joists butt into. So you can see all your floor joists are coming in, then they get nailed into this rim joist, and then out it gets nailed together. And of course we got a couple pieces of plywood down that's getting glued and nailed, and we will screw it all in before we put our flooring down. So we'll check back with you later.